Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be using Tradovate paper trading tutorial for beginners. So once you have created an account, you will be able to go to access simulation here. And then here you will be able to access your demo account here. So paper trading is the exact same as if it would be with real money. There is no difference. The only difference is that it's not with real money. So it allows you to practice without the stress and emotional attachments that come with trading with real money, and allows you to be able to develop a solid trading strategy before you start risking your money. So when you first open up Tradovate paper trading, your window will be like this. I like to delete everything, go up to add here, add a super DOM and chart. Then here you want to select the market. So say, for example, E-mini S&P. And here I will select E-mini S&P also. And then here we can drag the windows to get it in the position that we want. And then here we can see that I have some indicators. I will take this off and show you how to get them. So the best indicators for a beginner will be volume. So for example, Tiki volume is a community-based indicator, which you can go down to explore community indicators and get a large list of indicators created by other traders in the community that they have posted here. So the basics are buy and sell. Make sure you've got the right market that you want to trade. Here we can select the quantity of the contracts that we want to place on the trade. Typically there are a normal mini version of the contract, which is a higher reward than the micro E-mini, which is much smaller position, and then the mini. So it just depends on how much money you are trading with and how much you have here. With 50,000, you don't need to worry about trading micros. So with the buy and sell here, some other good indicators we can add are the estimated moving averages, and do your research into what indicators you want to integrate and use in your trading strategy. So make sure you put on all of the indicators that you would like. Volume is very important as it identifies areas of volume. As you see here, this was a very high volume spike. So when the price reaches this point, we can suspect that there will be another large volume spike, potentially a further continuation of the trend or a reversal pivot. Yeah, that is the basics of. Now it is up to you really to make sure that you are building a solid trading strategy implementing indicators that will help you out. It's very handy to use paper trading as that allows you to build a solid strategy. So make sure you do that before you start using real money. Here also another handy feature is the different time periods of the chart. It's always good to see the charts from different time periods so you don't miss any key information that you might have missed on the lower time frame or a higher time frame. Here, so the DOM is very handy also to use, as you can see current price action per second, and you can very easily press orders, buy, cancel, sell here very quickly. This is the best way to trade, I like, as well as watching the chart here. So make sure you have the correct chart selected here. And also down here, we can press this select icon and we can select take profits and stop losses here. Make sure it's turned on, and on the specific chart that we want, make sure you set all these so we can do different values. So you can either do take profits of 500 and do a stop loss of 250. So you see the exact dollar value that you will be losing, or you can do ticks. That's up to you. But yeah, that's the basics that you need. Trading information will be up here. And also if we click on this up here, we will be able to go and view specific information regarding our performance so we can analyze it and further build upon and refine our trading technique. So this is a very useful tool here. Performance is very good to use, and here is all of your information. Settings will be up here where you can look at your accounts, subscriptions, change any subscriptions that you have, and market data subscriptions. You have add-ons here where we can add TradingView integration, order flow, market replay, API access, and other things like this. So make sure you're doing all that if you need it. But yeah, that is the basics, guys. Here we can do trading on the window. You can search, but it's best to do this in the actual chart or DOM where you can physically see the real-time price action. And yeah, that is all the basics you need, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.